Here are step-by-step instructions for creating a menu in Figma2Flutter. The first thing to do is draw a Figma frame. This will be the main screen. Now create a second frame the same as the first. That will be the menu. Now, I'll add some text nodes and some images inside my main screen. And I'll add a few icons that will trigger the menu, as well as some simple design elements. From the Figma Prototype tab, add navigation for the icons for opening and closing the menu. From the top bar, select Plugins, Figma2Flutter. But note that in this instructional video, the path is Plugins, Development, Figma2Flutter because Plugins is currently a beta version. When you actually create your own project, use Plugins Figma2Flutter. Select Screen 1 and annotate the screen property in the Figma2Flutter plugin menu. For your menu frame, select the menu property in the Figma2Flutter plugin menu. Then press the blue Export as Flutter Project button. Your web browser should automatically open with the Figma tab. Press the Allow Access button to let the plugin generate code. Download the generated code, or you can leave it as is if you're making changes in an existing project. Open a downloaded project named Archive in your Flutter environment. I used Visual Studio Code for this tutorial. In the Flutter console, run the flutter pub-get command to download all of the dependencies required to run the project. Note that you only need to use this command once when running your project for the first time. If you're editing an existing project, just run the Flutter packages upgrade command. Wait until the dependencies are updated. Run the flutter run command to start your project. Wait until your project appears. Play the icon and see how the menu appears. In the console log, you can see confirmation that a specific screen or menu has been loaded. For instance, Screen 1 loaded, or Menu loaded, or a similar confirmation will appear every time a new screen or pop-up is displayed.